Hello everyone, welcome to admission updates. GUJCET 2022 application form has been released, and in this video we are going to see what is the step-by-step process to register yourself, how to pay the fee, what is the details related to seat number, SID number, and what should be the size of the photo and signature to be uploaded while filling the application form. So let us start without having any delay. So first of all, when you will open the official website, you will find the page like this, good set registration, and here a column of email ID and a password have been given. If you are visiting the page for the first time, you have to click here for new candidate registration. After clicking on this link, the registration window will open like this. Here you have to fill surname. The surname will contain your surname, and then you need to fill your name in the student name section, and then if you mention your parent or guardian name with your name, then you need to mention their name in the guardian name section. Then select your gender here, male or female, mention mobile number, email id, then mention the email id again to confirm it, then create password, confirm the password, and here you have to enter the captcha code and then click on the register button to register yourself. After registration, you will be able to fill the application form. Now here some important details related to the board students. Now you have to mention your name according to the standard 12th examination, and the name which you have mentioned in the class 12th application form, the same name, you can say the form of the name should be mentioned in the registration form also. Okay, then the mobile number, 10 digit mobile number should be unique for every registration. You cannot register yourself with the same mobile number twice or thrice. So for every unique registration, there should be a unique mobile number and a unique email ID also. So make sure you use a unique mobile number and email ID while registering yourself. Now let us see what is the other details. The other detail is related to the password. So when you will create password, the password should be 8 digits, and it should contain one capital letter, one small letter, one number, one special character. And an example is given here. uh, you can mention your name here and then use a special character, and you can mention your date of birth or year of birth after special character. So in this way you will have to create the password. Now what is the process of login after registering yourself? So to log in your account, you have to mention the mobile number or password, mobile number or email id and password to log in yourself. If you have forgotten your password, then you have to click on the link forward password to receive password on the registered mobile number. I will share the screen once again. So here you will be able to log in yourself by entering the email id or mobile number, that should be the registered email id and mobile number. Then mention the password here, and then enter the captcha code and click on the login button, and this is the link to retrieve your password if you have forgotten your password. Now let us move to the next point. Next one is the payment process, how you will be able to pay the fee. So first of all, the application fee is rupees 300. To pay the fee, you can use your credit card, debit card, net banking, and you can also pay the fee by visiting any of the SBI branch to pay the fee through e-challan. Sorry, through challan. So now let us see what is the step. Now, if you want to pay the fee through debit card or credit card, the payment window will open like this. Here you have to enter your card number, and here you enter the other details related to the card, and then click on the pay now button. You will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number that is registered with the bank, and mention the OTP and click on the pay now button to pay the fee. Now, if we'll see the payment method through net banking, here you have to select the bank, then click on the pay now button, enter your net banking details and pay the fee. The fee that will be debited from your bank account will be 305.90. 5 rupees is the processing fee and 9.90 paise is the uh, GST. Now let us move on to the next step. The next, if you want to pay the fee through SBI Challan, so you have to enter your name here, then mobile number, mention your email ID, and then click on the Pay Now to generate the SBI Challan. The SBI Challan will be generated like this. This is the format. You have to take the printout of this Challan and visit the nearest SBI branch to pay the GUJCET 2022 application fee. Okay. Now let us see what is the other important detail. After paying the fee, you will be able to uh, fill the application form. So in the application form, you have to first mention uh, candidate's name. Like first you have to mention your surname, then father's name, and name correction can be done while filling up the form if any mistake is done in entering the name. So you can edit your name if any mistake has been done by you. So make sure you fill your name very carefully, then mention the date of birth in the column of date of birth, then select your gender, male or female. If you are differently able, then click on the yes button and mention what kind of disability you have, then mention your caste, then you have to fill your address in the address column along with the pin code and state. Okay, then you have to, if you are using landline number, you can mention the landline number, otherwise it is not mandatory, it is given here. Now the big question, sorry, the important thing is how to select this board code. Okay, so candidates who have qualified their examination from Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has to fill board code 01. Remember, candidates who have qualified their examination from Gujarat Secondary and Higher Secondary Education Board has to mention their board code 01, and other board candidates has to select or fill the board code according to the list of the board code given in the booklet. So make sure that you fill your board code accordingly. Now let us see other details. The other one is here is an example, like if the board code is 01 and district code of the school index is 20, the candidate will be shown centers 207 to 16. So in this form you will be getting the exam centers. Okay, and candidates have to select one of the two as per his or her choice. You have to select any one exam center out of the two where you will be comfortable for taking the examination. Okay, now if the board code is other than 01, the candidates can select any one examination center for the GUJCET by clicking on the desired center. So if your board code is other than 01, you can select any of the exam center where you are comfortable or where you can reach comfortably and can appear in the examination. Remember, selection of the exam center is compulsory. Then the year of appearing in HSC higher secondary examination is to be selected in the information regarding the exam. Okay, now if a candidate who have qualified the HSC exam before 2014 will have to fill the seat number. So this is an important detail. If you have qualified your higher secondary examination before 2014, we have to fill seat number, and candidates who have appeared in HSC exam in the year from 2014 to 2021 will have to fill the SID number. Okay, so make sure you do not have any confusion regarding this seat number and SID number. Now let us move on to the next point. The next one is, if your board code is not 01, means the candidates who have completed their higher secondary examination from the other boards who have not qualified their examination from the Gujarat Higher Secondary Board, then there is no need to fill this seat number and SID number. Okay, now you have to choose group and click AB or AB in the next section. Then you have to choose the medium of the question paper, that is either Gujarati, Hindi or English. And now next one is related to the your image and signature. So your photograph should be in JPG format and its size should not be more than 50 kb. The dimension of your photo or image should be 120 pixel into 120 pixel. Similarly, for the signature, the format should be JPG and size should not be more than 50 kb, and the dimension of the signature is one 120 pixel into 120 pixel. Then after filling up all these details in the application form, you have to click on the save button to save the details, verify all the details filled in the application form, and then click on the submit button to submit the application. So this is the step-by-step process to fill the application form. If you have any query regarding the application procedure, you can comment in the comment section. I will try to answer the query as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video and subscribe the channel for the other important updates related to GUJCET.